So before jumping on to the tutorial, let's see what we're going to cover in this Python tutorial. First of all, we'll start with introduction. Introduction will contain the architecture, explain what can Python do, why Python was invented, and what are the reasons for increasing popularity, and how to run a Python code. After that, we'll start with basic Python and we'll explain you the syntax, the indentation. It will also include the installation of Anaconda and Jupyter and comments, variables, data types, casting, how to change from int to float, user input, how to take input, arrays like list, set, dictionaries, different conditions, range, and files. And some of the advanced concepts, we'll talk about it later in the video. The advanced concepts will include two libraries, NumPy and Pandas. That is the most important library in Python. So that's it for the agenda.